Hi guys, Alex here from socialcornergraphics, and in this video I'm going to show you how you can use the same template for different niches. So let's get started. If you have been watching this video series, I explained how our file structure is organized, how you can include your own images, how you can replace the fonts and change their color, and also how you can work with shape layers. But in this tutorial I'm going to explain to you how you can use the same template, so for example this one, for different niches. So to do that, let's quickly open up the image. It's this one right here, double click. So if you want to learn more about how you can work with images, you can keep watching, or you can go back and watch the video about images. So we opened up this one and we changed these ones in the past, but now let's go back to the Unsplash and let's choose something. So for example, fitness, press enter. Let's load, I don't know, this image for example. Let's zoom it in so it can be bigger. Right click, copy image, go back to the Photoshop, Control V to paste the image. And we are going to use the move tool, shortcut is V. So Shift Alt left click in one of the corners to increase the size, and then Shift and left click so you can move it, for example right here. Press enter, Control S so we can save it back to its original place. And now we're going to click on the T, click on the text, Control A, click right here on the color, select the color of her shirt, so it will match to the original image, or you can select this color, whichever you want. I'm going to just leave it red, or maybe even better, click on this one, click OK. And now we're going to type, so for example, top 10 fitness tips every girl needs to know now. Press enter. Now we changed the text and the color, and now let's change this hashtag, so fitness tips for example. Press enter, go back. So this is how our template looks like now. Let's imagine that you're working with two different niches, so let's say fitness in this example, and let's use maybe dogs as another niche. So maybe you're selling or working as an affiliate for a company or an individual. You're selling some fitness gear, so for example these yoga mats or shoes or t-shirts or whichever one it is. Maybe there are some supplements or whatever. So that's your number one niche, and your second niche are, for example, dogs. So let's click on the dogs, find some image, and let's use this image, for example, of this cute pug. Right click, copy image, go back to the Photoshop, double click on the image layer to open it up, Control V to paste it, press V for the move tool, Shift Alt left click in one of the corners, and then simply click and drag to increase the size of this image. Now I'm going to position it a tiny bit better with my arrow keys left and right. So for example right here, Control S so I can save it back to its original place. And now we have a different color, so let's click T, click on the text, Control A, click right here, click on the color, so for example this, or maybe some lighter shade, for example this one, and type how you can I'm using lower cases now, just to show you that you can do that as well. So let's say that is the text, and also let's change the hashtag to pug love, for example. So as you can see, it's extremely easy to use exactly the same template. So we didn't order the shapes or the sizes or remove anything or include anything. We just use exactly the same templates for two completely different niches. So as you can see, it's extremely easy to use these templates for your business. So If you're working with a few different niches, this is excellent way for you to create multiple graphics at the same time. You can simply type and then retype again and again and again and replace images. So as you can see right here, you can have stack of the images in exactly the same smart object. You can go with multiple niches, you can go with multiple colors, and so on and so on. So I hope this video has been helpful in showing you how you can work with different niches with our templates, and stick around for the next one, because I'm going to show you how you can export all of the work that you did so you can use it on social media.